Let's see how the ramp works. It looks great.
Yeah. Whoa.
That was a nice landing.
My hopes here for this adventure is to learn and understand what happens when we build crazy new features into rallycross tracks.
Welcome to the test lab of the World RX. Trying to help the World RX team to make spectacular tracks.
As the promoter of the championship that wants to add value, more overtaking possibilities, etc., then I'm super happy to be here and work on Rallycross 2.0 with you.
So let's go.
All right, let's go.
We can really quickly, with our efficient machine, change the jumps, and with dig assist we can really adjust the angles really quick and effective.
We just built this camber corner, like 2 days. Been no problem. We have good machines and yeah, everything been smooth.
Yeah, the machines have done a great job. I was really impressed by the speed at which they could modify a jump, modify a corner, and make it available. 1 hour later, it was done. No, that was impressive.
It's amazing what we've been able to accomplish. During these 3 days we built bank corners, off-camber corners, jumps, snake run.
Everything we've done in the last 3 days has been fantastic. Probably learned more than we really expected and probably achieved everything a little bit faster and easier than we expected. So that's been great.
We can introduce and launch our new electric products. So I think this partnership is amazing to push both motorsport and our industry forward into a more fossil-free future.
Yeah, obviously with Volvo Construction Equipment we have a great partner that has the machinery, a deep understanding of how to sculpt the land. They're very, very enthusiastic to do not just a job but the best job.